So today we'll be looking at a model I've already built. It's a Heinkel 162. It's what's called a Volksjäger, or a people's fighter. And it was also called a Salamander because of the positioning of the engine on top of the fuselage. This is from Dragon in 148 scale. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring that bell when you want to see when I upload new videos. So this is a HE162A2 Salamander, which they actually they called it a Volksjäger, or the People's Fighter. They were easy to build, and they could be built in a lot of numbers, but they didn't have a lot of development time, so there was problems with them because of the lack of development time. But some of the pilots said it was the best handling fighter that they had. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 4 trees of gray plastic, a clear tree for the canopy and lights, and also come with a photo etch. And color chart with Gunsanyo Mr. Color, and a Talarai, which is Model Master paint. Start here with the engine. Let's try it like this. Start here with the engine. It has a full engine, a really nice detailed engine. Then we go here to the cockpit, and as well as the front landing gear. It had a really nice interior, detailed interior, and a nice detailed engine. And here we have more cockpit details, the wings. Putting the engine on, you can either do it with the full engine exposed, or you can close it. There's also two different options for the tail fin. As far as I believe this is the original tail, and this was the tail that they come with afterwards, the V tail. In here we have the landing gear doors and some details. The instrument wheels, canopy. You can either do it has a separate piece canopy, so you can do open or closed, and it even has the mechanisms here for it. And then we have painting instructions. And JG1, flown by Oberst Herbert Ihlenfeld, or 3 JG1, flown by Oberlieutenant Emil Demuth. Or the Erste JG1, flown by Hauptmann Helmut Kunecke. And here I try to always notice what paint I use. The dark green on top is 65 bronze green, and on the wings, on the upper surfaces, I have 67, which is gray green, and underneath I have 49, which is light blue, hellblau. No, Lichtblau, yeah. We'll take a look at the model here. You can see the engine. It was hard to find any kind of references on the internet, so I used mainly what they added in the instructions, and did a little thinking of myself. I did a lot of dirt in here, or grime. First painted it silver, and then did a thick coat of a thick wash of anthracite. And you see here, this is some of the photo etch. A lot of pretty good detail there. No, I didn't. Pretty difficult to see the interior detail, but it's there. I should have done the open canopy probably, so you can see the instrument panel. Let's see if we can get a shot of it here. No focus. But even though I had photo etch, it didn't have any seat belts. Can't really see it that well. There's a lot of detail inside the landing gear doors too. But you can't see a lot in the front, but it doesn't seem to be a lot in the front. It has some cool nose art actually. This is the cannon. Seems like I forgot something to paint. Maybe I put it on as an afterthought. I need to redo this line anyways, which shouldn't be hard. Sand this down some. Put a new coat of paint on the bottom. And you see, yeah, you can see it. How the blue, how thick that paint is. I don't. It's the same with the white paint, the light color paint from Revell are so thick. They go on like that. I don't know why. I should thin them down some, I guess. Well, there's not really any problems with this kit. I didn't see any. It looked really good. The only thing I can think of it could use is some seat belts. The seat looks pretty good. No pin mark or nothing. But no seat belt there. Or harness. Other than that, it was a really good kit. I was really surprised at what I found in the box, and I would recommend it for anybody. This is probably not one of the most popular jet fighters of World War II, but I thought it was a pretty good idea. They were easy to build, and the major problems they had was because it was rushed off the line. Well, thanks for watching. Until next time.